In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to clear out a crowded inbox using the Outlook web app, with a few tips to stay safe while you tidy up. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you proceed. Once the page loads, make sure you're in the mail experience. If you see other Outlook apps, switch to mail so you're looking at your email folders and message list. Next, head to your inbox. You'll find it in the folder list on the left. Clicking inbox ensures you're working in the right place and can see the messages you want to remove. Give the page a moment to load all recent messages so the selection works smoothly. Now, let's select the emails. Use the Select All option above the message list to highlight the messages currently displayed. In some layouts, this appears as a small checkbox at the top of the list. Selecting it will check all the visible emails. Depending on how many messages you have, Outlook may show a banner offering to select all conversations in the folder. If you truly want every email in the inbox selected, you can use that banner. Otherwise, keep it to what's on screen. With your messages selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted list. This opens the context menu, which is often the fastest way to act on many emails at once without moving your mouse up to the toolbar. From the menu, choose Delete. Outlook will move the selected emails to the deleted items folder. If you see a confirmation, approve it to continue. Deleting in this way is reversible for a short time because the emails are not permanently removed yet. They're just in deleted items. If you realize you've removed something important, you can visit deleted items and restore it. If you're certain you're done, you can empty deleted items later to free up space. A few quick tips as you work. Selecting everything is powerful, so glance over the highlighted list before you delete, especially if you have newsletters mixed with important messages. If you prefer the keyboard, you can perform the deletion by pressing the delete key after selecting. And if your goal is to remove only specific types of messages, consider using the search bar or filters first, then select all and delete the matching results. That's it. Go to outlook.live.com, switch to mail, open inbox, select all, right-click, and delete. Clean, quick, and under control.